Hi guys, Visti here, Tech. Welcome back on my channel. This time, finally I decided to make a video on how you can get this thing here into this thing here. If I want to do just measure now my blood pressure, now it's very easy. I just open the application, I just hit measure. Let's actually do it together with you. And you see 130 is 89 here, 123 here, and then 5. So yeah, it's not that bad, you know. And the pulse here we have 81 BPM as to 82 BPM. So again, you know, very good part that I like is once you synchronize this, your readings are gonna get stored here, right? And the more readings you have, you see, usually I used to have more, but they will be piled up here, you know, with the pulse. And you can just even export these statistics, and then you can also see how the systolic and the diastolic borders are doing. So it's very nice app. But then again, guys, just don't take this for granted. This is not a medicine app, right? But I would say it's really like 5-10% close to the real readings we have here. I really hope that you like this video, and if that's the case, you know what to do. Like and subscribe, right? And yes, this here is the Samsung Galaxy Active 2, and this apparently is the Omron M6, which is used to measure your blood pressure. And yeah, you know the big story, right? When Samsung released the Active 2, they promised we're gonna get blood pressure and also ECG. Now, long story, very short, they still have problems to get through all the legislation and all the approvers that they can kind of like push the ECG to us. But they started to push the blood pressure application in some regions. Yeah, of course, Korea, it's Samsung, right? But there is a way, finally and luckily, using this very nice post from XDA to sideload the blood pressure application, and using this very nice fancy Tizen Studio 3.7, you know, I can show you guys how to do it. In fact, I put everything you need or you're ever gonna need into one folder, which I'm going to upload, and I'm gonna be putting the link down below. So you practically need to go and download the Tizen Studio 3.7 with the IDE installer. So it is 608 megabytes. Oh my god, yes. And then guys, I'm gonna be uploading also the SDB. So here inside you have one folder, it's the data folder. Inside you have a folder called tools, and inside you have the blood pressure TPK. And it's not an APK, don't mix it. But okay, we're gonna get to this. So first you need to do some things on your watch. I'm using right now my PC, right? Make sure that your PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then guys, what you need to do is the following. So you're gonna take your watch, okay? And then you're gonna need to go and enable the developer settings. Now this happens, you need to scroll down, okay? And you need to find the information on the software. So, okay, let me just show you guys. You got to About Watch. Then you need to scroll down and you need to go here and press software. Then you need to go to the software version and I think hit it like 7 times, okay? And now we're gonna get, boom, developer mode turned on, right? But don't think that's all, right? After you read this, guys, you need to go to your watch information, okay? And you need to enable the debugging. So let me just show you how this works. Okay, you go to About Watch and you make sure that you scroll down to the very bottom, and then debugging should be turned on, right? Not off. The initial option is going to be off. Turn it on, okay? And now you need to make sure that your watch is always connected to the Wi-Fi. So, okay, let's go to the settings here. We need to go to the connection. Then go immediately to Wi-Fi. Now I'm connected to my network. Make sure that Wi-Fi is always connected. Okay, you have 3 options here: auto, always on, and always off. Always on just for this kind of activity. And then guys, you just click here. You just click on the Wi-Fi once connected, and you just see the IP address that you have connected your watch. Now you just put the watch down below. Then you need to start the Tizen software. Now, when you start the Tizen Studio, right here, probably most gonna see no device. Now what you need to do, guys, here is press Launch Remote Device Manager. It's that one here. When you press it, usually, you know, you think you're gonna get just to press scan and that's it, but it's not gonna work, right? So I had to manually add it. So, you know, just click here, you know, put, let's say, watch, and then put your IP address. Now my IP address is like that, okay, 1152. The port is always the same, 26101. You know, you just need to do the following. When it's there, you're just gonna need to press on. And when you actually press on, now the watch will connect to Tizen, okay? And this is here a very important step. You're gonna get a notification on the watch while you need to enable the connection, all right? When you hit here on, you're gonna get a display on the watch indicating and asking you to grant permission. Now this is very, very important, right? You need to press here like the check mark and give the permission. So now you have the connection, right? Just open the folder that I have uploaded, right? So we're gonna get here the SDB, go inside data, go inside tools, and there's gonna be a funny file called ansicon.exe, right? It's not a virus, just double click on it. When you open this, what will happen is actually you're gonna get a command prompt directly open where the folder is. And here guys, very quickly, quick and dirty, just type SDB, okay, install bp.tpk, okay. Magic will happen on the background, okay. Nothing will be shown on the watch, right? So don't panic, okay. What is very important here is that you get to this install percent 100%. When you just get this final message, you can apparently just close it off and then boom, take your watch guys, right? And just go to the applications and yeah, you're gonna see, oh my God, you already have the blood pressure. Now we are not yet over guys. One final thing to do. Now go back to the folders that I gave you and you're gonna see here besides the Tizen Studio, there is a Samsung Health Monitor, which is a modded version APK. This one you need to get on your phone, all right? So install this on your phone guys. And then let's actually launch it, okay? So I already did this on my phone. So I just type here Samsung, okay, I got it, Samsung Health. And now guys, you see connected watch found, okay? Use this watch to measure your blood pressure. So you press continue guys. Once you have entered your details like your age and your name, introducing Samsung Health Monitor, and Samsung will bring our groundbreaking innovation to easily and efficiently measure your blood pressure anytime by personalizing this first of a kind technology for you. I mean, that's where we got this like sensor here. Now swipe up to start. And guys, you need to perform calibration of the watch. Now listen, that's very important. When you press calibration, you need to take apparently your hardware blood pressure monitor and you need to measure 3 times your blood pressure and then enter, enter the readings from the blood pressure here inside the watch by using the phone and the application, okay? Now once you do this guys, you know that the health monitor is going to be calibrated, I think, for 28 days. So every 28 days this process needs to start over and over again. And by the way, it's very fun. You can set this up very quickly, okay? They have very nice instructions there. Calibrating the watch, they even have a video, they show you what you need to do, how you need to wear it and all the cuff and etc. I have been using this on my Samsung S10 phone. It's a very nice application. You can have your readings organized, now with the trend line, you can even export them. So of course, very important disclaimer, this is not the real thing. Now this is the real thing, but it really comes very close. And now guys, I'm gonna show you the calibration process. Samsung have some very nice folks and they put already a video here. So first you need to make sure that the watch is snug on your wrist, so not like that. So let me just put it here, okay? Then you just put next, okay? Once you go next, you need to fit the blood pressure monitor cuff on the arm opposite to your watch. So I have the watch on my left arm, so I need to put the cuff from the monitor here on my right arm. So I'm just gonna do that, all right? Oh my God. Believe me, you're happy you're not seeing this on video. Okay. It's there. Now I'm going to connect my Omron monitor. Okay. Now I have the cuff here on my arm. Okay. Now once that's done, fit the blood pressure. Okay. Press next. And now here, interesting part. Start your blood pressure monitor now. Okay. I am starting it already. And now my watch actually will start measuring in 10 seconds. 6, 5. Okay, I have to now stop talking, guys. Okay, enter the readings from the blood pressure monitor on the phone. Now you just guys take it. Okay, yes, enter. By the way, I'm really too excited. You can tell from my blood pressure really rising like crazy. Okay. Now you just hit enter. You confirm this one, okay? Now the first measurement is completed, but you need to do 2 more. So let's go for the next one, okay? Make sure, again, the watch here is snug on your arm and the cuff from the monitor is on our other hand. Let's press next. Now guys, calibration is finished. Now you can take a blood pressure measurement on your watch, wear the watch on the same wrist as worn during calibration. Now you can press OK, guys. And you see 130 says 89 here, 123 here, and then 5. So yeah, it's not that bad, you know. And the pulse here we have 81 BPM as to 82 BPM. So again, you know, usually, you know, here you should have the OK sign. And then of course now I'm shooting this video already 10 PM here, guys. So when you do the calibration, my recommendation is do this first thing in the morning, you know, without having a very hard alcohol drinking night or whatever. Don't drink coffee, you know, before you do it. So you need to be relaxed with it. Just get up out of bed, sit down, calibrate it, and then you can just start using this application. And now guys, what I didn't show you, the very good part that I like is once you synchronize this, your readings are gonna get stored here, right? And the more readings you have, you see, usually I used to have more, but they will be piled up here, you know, with the pulse. And then you can also see how the systolic and the diastolic borders are doing. So it's very nice up. But then again, guys, just don't take this for granted. This is not a medicine up, right? But I would say it's really like 5-10% close to the real readings we have here. I really hope that you like this video. And if that's the case, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. BST over and bye.